guys,
Guys.
Trying to keep my old family together.
Ano
I
to?
missed out on how taking a new family was, but not anymore. After all the paperwork was settled, it was official. Me, her
sayang.
an incredible family who adore me. Yeah, sure we have fights and arguments, but the love is strong. Oh, and I
Grabe.
took the offer at the school across town.
Vlog namin.
Yung baby ko.
After Rose
Oo,
assured me that she
oo nga.
was gonna be more than fine.
Oo, ayaw mo akin. Panir.
Ako hindi. So, doon lang. Hindi mo alam to, name. Si Blue. Hindi ko kalimutan ko. Teka. Teka kayo. Lego Babe. Sana punta ko dito ha. Kita amin.
Lego base. Meron kaming Lego Beyblade kagaya sa'yo. At pwede nyo kami isend ng ng Lego Beyblade. Para meron kaming malakas na Lego Beyblade. Goodbye! Goodbye!